Welcome and thank you for joining me in this tutorial on Microsoft Forms. Today we will explore one of the most versatile tools in the Office 365 suite, which allows you to create quizzes, surveys, and registration forms, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting a poll, or collecting data for an event, Microsoft Forms is the perfect solution. This tutorial is designed with the staff at NMSU and DECC in mind. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage data collection, analyze results, and collaborate with colleagues, you come to the right place. Let's begin by accessing Microsoft Forms. There are a few different ways you can access it, depending on your workflow. First, if you're using My NMSU portal, you can simply navigate to the Office 365 app tab and find the forms listed there. If you're working within DECC, another option is to access forms directly through the DECC SharePoint. Regardless of which method you'd use, you'll log into either your NMSU Office 365 account or your DECC Office 365 account. Both will give you full access to Microsoft Forms and the rest of the Office 365 suite. Let me go ahead and demonstrate how you can access both. If you're in My NMSU, you can simply go to the Office 365 apps right here, click there. Once this pulls up, you should be able to go to your apps, and you should be able to find forms right here. Now, for your DECC one, if you go all the way to the SharePoint, if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to access the SharePoint down here in the website. Once inside the SharePoint, if you click on these little buttons right here, you will see forms come up as well. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into creating a new form. Once you open the Microsoft Forms app, you'll see an option to start a new form. You'll notice that you have an option to start from a template or create a blank form. If you choose a template, Microsoft Forms provides a pre-designed forms for common uses like quizzes, event registrations, or surveys, saving you time. However, if you want to start fresh, select the blank form option. After selecting either template or a blank form, you can begin by adding different question types to suit your needs. Microsoft Forms allows for a wide range of options, including multiple choice questions, text responses, ratings, Likert scales, and even file uploads. Each question type can be customized based on your requirements, and you can add as many questions as you needed. Customization is key to making your form not only functional, but visually appealing as well. Microsoft Forms makes it easy to personalize your form. You can add a title, description, and even insert images or logos to give it a professional touch. Let's not forget the powerful options available under Settings. You can configure automated responses, ensuring that participants receive an acknowledgement or confirmation after they submitted their response. This feature is especially useful for event registrations or surveys where participants need immediate feedback. Collaboration is also a highlight on Microsoft Forms. You can invite your colleagues to collaborate with you on the form. To do this, click on the Collaborate button and send an invitation linked to those who need to provide their input or help with editing. Once you've created your form, you'll want to share it with your audience. Microsoft Forms provides several convenient options for sharing. You can simply copy and share a link to your form via email, or you can go a step further and generate a QR code. The QR code option is ideal for reaching mobile users, as they can just scan the code with their phones and access the form instantly. In addition to links and QR codes, you can also share your form on websites by embedding it. This gives you a flexible range of methods to ensure your form reaches the intended participants. Now let's talk about what happens after the responses start rolling in. One of the strengths of Microsoft Forms is how it helps you visualize and analyze data. You can view results in real time, which responses automatically displays as charts and graphs. This makes it easy to get a quick overview of your data at a glance. For more in-depth analysis, you can export your data to Excel. With Excel's powerful data analysis tools, you can further manipulate and explore your data, whether it's organizing large sets of responses or applying filters to find specific trends. This flexibility makes it easy to turn raw data into actionable insights. Here are a few tips and best practices to help you get the most out of Microsoft Forms. First, keep your questions clear and concise. A well-designed form should guide respondents through a logical flow of questions. You want them to feel confident answering each question without confusion. Second, take advantage of branching logic. This feature allows you to create dynamic forms where the next question depends on the respondent's previous answer. It's an excellent way to personalize the form experience. Third, test your form before you share it. Send it to a colleague or test it yourself to make sure everything works as expected, including any automated responses and branching logic you may have added. And that wraps up our tutorial on Microsoft Forms. I hope this session has shown you how easy it is to create, customize, and share forms for quizzes, surveys, or registrations. Whether you're collecting data for an event or a project, Microsoft Forms offers an intuitive, effective way to gather and analyze information. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of the features we've discussed, don't hesitate to explore the help resources available through Office 365 or contact me at vlit.nmsu.edu. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to start using Microsoft Forms today to simplify and enhance your data collection efforts.